Hello, my name is Mukama Julius, undergoing professional development with CCTI Online, with a goal of acquiring skills and knowledge which will help me create technology-based instructional materials for the learners. And through Google Plus and Twitter, which are joined as my professional learning social networks, I have interacted with many educators that have helped my knowledge to deepen. And under 1.33, it has been interesting learning how to use Google Drive and how to collaborate using Google Drive. And it's great that now I've been able to open up my personal YouTube channel and learning how to upload videos on it. And on YouTube, there are many educative videos like technology and education. And on Teachers Video as a site, there are also many resources like how to integrate Wix and blogs into class. I'm learning with CCTI, and I know my journey is going to be brighter every day. And I recommend that video, Technology and Education by Paul Hamilton, on YouTube for someone to watch. With CCTI, I am learning new teaching strategies, how to use technology that is available. I'll thank you.